Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabitha. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are returning subscriber, I love you. Or if you're just returning and you haven't subscribed, I mean, if you want to, that'd be great. We'd love to have you here. So today for lunch, I'm having dessert actually. So I've never had mochi before, never. So I was actually watching another YouTuber that does mukbangs, Trin Eats, and I saw her trying these mochi ice cream. I guess you can get them from Target. So that's what I did. When I was at Target, I decided to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I probably should have grabbed more because they're on sale for like 2 for $7. But I grabbed the mochi ice cream sweet mango, and I also grabbed the green tea. So it says on here, keep frozen until Mimo time. Let mochi sit a minute or 2 and enjoy. So it's premium ice cream wrapped in sweet pillowy dough. That sounds delicious. So I was trying to take a thumbnail here, and these things have been hanging out. And so they're covered with a little bit of powdered sugar, it looks like. A little bit of mushy, but I'm really excited. So I said sit for a minute or 2. So while it was doing that, I was watching grass grow like this. And by the time it was done, they're soft. So I think they're ready to eat. Anyway, let's get to it. So I'm gonna try the sweet mango first. Hold that down. Okay, I'm back. Oh my gosh. So let's try it. I said I was gonna try the sweet mango. So let's do it. Tango in my mouth. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 I know that's like doing the most. I know that probably annoys some people, but this is so good. Mm. I hope it focuses for you. My camera is like, okay. I'm sorry, we gotta get that fixed. Okay. Trin Eats mentioned this in her video. Don't inhale because you will choke on the powdered sugar. And that's just what I did. I totally didn't. That went in my ear, out my ear, and I choked in my throat. So I'm going to try the green tea. There we go. That focus is nice. Let's try this one. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Hmm. And this is my first time having this, so I can't necessarily compare it to maybe other brands or maybe more authentic. I don't know as far as comparison goes, but I will say this is really good. I think I love green tea, but I think I like the mango one better. Maybe because it's sweet. Mm. So do you guys have any 4th of July plans? I don't have any really. I do get 4 days off. But no set plans. Maybe watch fireworks. They have two of the parks here in the cities that I live in are having their 4th of July celebration this Saturday. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing on these ones. I'm so hungry. Maybe why. Maybe that's why they're extra tasty to me right now. I kind of want to eat all the mango ones. That powdered sugar. Oh. Give someone a kiss like that after you have something with powdered sugar on it. I got the chills. The AC is going right now because I'm in Southern California. The weather's been weird here. If you live in Southern California, you know what I mean. But it's a little bit on the warmer side today, finally. Can I focus on this? See it? It's like mushy. That pillowy. Okay. It's starting to fall apart. Well, guys, I am going to cut this short because these things are starting to melt. I watched the grass grow a little too long. So I'm probably gonna pop these back in the freezer and then eat them a little later, or maybe I will be nice and I will share with my husband, which I don't know if he'll like these, or maybe he's tried these before. I don't know. He's been stationed in Okinawa in the past, so he may have tried it. I'll have to ask him because I have no clue. So, well, thank you for joining me for my little mochi ice cream review. And not only that, but my first time trying mochi and mochi ice cream. And I will say it was so delicious. I definitely would do it again. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. So I'll miss you until then. Enjoy some food. Bye. Bye.